The Access to Medicine course really was fantastic, and it helped me find my spark in ways that I never even thought possible. Hi, I'm Miriam and I am a Coleg alumni. So I went to school, didn't really enjoy it, and then after school I was a stay-at-home mum for about 7 years, and then I realised I want to better myself, and so I applied to Coleg. So I came to Coleg because it was a campus I was familiar with, and it also offered the exact course I was looking for, the Access to Medicine. So right now I'm studying the Medical Sciences degree at the University of South Wales. It's full-time, so I'm balancing that alongside an incredibly busy home life. I wouldn't be here without Coleg. The Access to Medicine was just invaluable, and so were the lecturers. They were so supportive, and they were with me every step of the way, especially with my undiagnosed at the time ADHD. And now I'm at university and I'm on track to becoming a doctor within the NHS. I know it can feel daunting trying to balance an education with a busy home life, but with Coleg it is possible. And if I can do it, anybody can.